Hi, this is Phoebe. Welcome back to our topic tour. And next station here we have CIRC. CIRC is a subsidiary of Coretronic Group. And this is a very interesting service and solution that is about autonomous drone. So here we have Joyce with us. And hi, Joyce. Very good to see you. And Joyce is going to tell us a little bit more about their solutions.
Okay. Hello, everybody, and every audience, and I am Joyce, and I am the project manager from our company, CIRC. And before I started to introduce our product line, drone product line and service, I want to share some company background from our side. And as Phoebe just mentioned, that we are a subsidiary company from the Coretronic group, and in the past decades, that our parent company are famous for the electrical product, and the most famous one will be the projector, and we already have the very famous brand in worldwide named Optima, and we are also the second largest backlight module provider in the world. And why am I mentioning those information to the audience is that I want to make sure that our potential cooperative partner will know that we have the great and strong resources from our parent company, and we are willing to achieve any mission and any wills from our clients, right? And so that to integrate all the resources we have from the parent company is like mature manufacturing experience and also the detailed engineering technique, and we have integrate all those resources with our core technique used on AI drones. And here that I will give a quick introduction for our core technique that we have used. And the first one I want to mention is that with our autonomous drones, that our drones from the hardware and to the inside software, and for the software system that we all established by our own self. And you can see that we are very good at the software integration and have the cooperated experience with Microsoft. And we use NVIDIA AI module inside our drones, right? So here today that it is very glad to introduce the drones that use on the logistic part. And right, you can see the drones on my right hand side, right here, this one. Can see that this drone is totally around, its weight is totally around 40 kilometers, and its payload is under 7. You can put under 7 kilometers stuff in our package right here. Okay, so 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 that to introduce the drones that we have used are logistic drones. We have cooperated with Japanese largest and most famous e-commerce company Rakuten, and yes, and we have cooperated 3 POC projects with it, and I want to introduce two of them. And the first one is that we have delivered the goods for Mountain Habuka, and we have sent and delivered to send our product from level ground to the mountain high peak, and our drones have vertical flying over 1,060 kilometers, and usually for the original round trip it takes around 7 hours, but by using our drones that we can shorten our delivery period to around 50 minutes, so it's really can shorten the delivery time. And the next one is the cooperation project with Rakuten 2, and we have cooperated this in Tokyo City. And our drones have fly through the Tokyo Bay from Rakuten warehouse, carrying with the medical supplement, and fly through to the apartment, a building. It's totally high around 100 meters high, and drop the goods on the roof, and the inhabitor in the buildings can grab their stuff on the roof of the building, right? So this is our experience. Just mentioning about the delivering experience in foreign country, that we also have cooperated with Zhonghua Post Company. that we wish that we can use the multiple drone operation to send the goods in more efficiency way, because we can fly not only just one drone in one time, we can send 2 drones, right? So this is the example from us too. And also our drones in this task has fly more higher than 1,030 kilometers too. Okay. Okay. Right, and in today's task that our drones has also delivering the material and supplyment goods from shore to shore and shore to ship. And in this critical pandemic situation, maybe I think delivering for the goods, medical goods, not to by faith, human connection is very important. So everyone would know that the port is the front door of the country. So I think this is a very good solution for us too. Okay, well, this is my presentation. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Joyce. Before we move on to see your little video, I have one question to ask you. You mentioned about the cooperation with Japanese e-commerce company. And in this partnership, what kind of partnership overseas, apart from with e-commerce in Japan, are you looking for right now?
Yes, and we are very glad that we have this cooperation experience with Rakuten, and I think we will define ourselves as a full solution provider in the market. So the one that we want to cooperate with, we will establish the whole solutions, we're on delivering whole solution for our client, and just please feel free to contact with us, okay?
Thank you very much, Joyce. Right now, let's go on to see the video that they cooperate with Rakuten in Japan, and we'll be back very soon. Welcome back. This is Phoebe, and we are now at CIRC, and we just heard about the delivery system from Joyce. And now, exclusively for the viewers in this topic tour in Kaohsiung, I'm going to show you a nest, but not for the bird, but for the drone. And this humongous nest here for the drone, what does it do? And we have Carly here to tell us a little bit more about it.
Okay, I'm Carly from Coretronic, CIRC. You can see this is our autonomous drone solution. And this is our LED. It shows the drone live streaming here. You can see all these products are developed from the Coretronic group. Okay, and now we will show you a remote demo from Kilongpo. This is the project we co-work with Kaohsiung Port and the TIPC. Okay, just one click, you can let the remote drone fly. Okay, click. Okay, now. Okay, you can see the drone is take off. And okay. Okay, let me show our products. This is our drone with a redundant design. You can see there are 4 arms and add motors. And this is our charging nest. It provided a touch charging to our drone, so you can see the drone do the automation and you auto take off, do the mission patrol, and come back home and do a precise landing, and it will do the auto charging. Okay. Okay, so you can see our drone use case. Here is Taiwan Port. Okay, so you can see the drone is remote flight from Keelung Port. This is the it will patrol by the mission we preset. So you almost come home right now, and we will set the smart port via 5G. So the video streaming will streaming via 5G. You can take the 4K video, so you can show the live demo right now. Okay, this is our demo, so you can see that our drone is landing right now. Okay.
Wow. Okay, so actually what you see on the screen is live right now. They just push a button and the drone in Keelung Port just take off like that, right? Okay, and then I think Carly just answered one of the questions from our viewer online. They asked, does it support 5G? And you said, yes, it supports 5G. Yes. And also, sorry, Carly, I want to go back to the logistic delivery system again. That one of the viewer asked, does it have any height limitation? Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's in a high mountain, right? So, and also here in the port. So, and what kind of geographic limitation you have, or do you have any?
Our drone can fly. The height limitation is 3,000 meters. So we have tests in Japan. Okay. Almost 2,100 meters. You can see the Baimashan. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So literally, a lot of mountains in Taiwan can comply to these solutions.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. And also, we have a question because I know that a lot of your customers are telecom operators. Can you tell us, the viewer today, that what is your partnership model with telecom companies?
Okay. You can see in Keelung Port, we co-work with Zhonghua Telecom, the Taiwan biggest telecom. And like Zhonghua provide the 5G infrastructure in Keelung Port. So you build a 5G base station there, and he let our drone have a 5G air route. So you can see where our drone can use 5G communication and broadcast the live streaming in 4K.
Okay. Okay. The next question is actually from me, because I know with 5G you need really good communication, and sometimes the distance, like if you fly over the ocean, is there a base to send out the signal, or how do you solve this problem that if the distance is too long?
Okay. We co-work with Zhonghua Telecom very closely, and we have set the 3 base station and this charging station in Keelung Port, and they will set over the 5G station there. And the most important is the 5G station signal will send the signal upward to the air, so that our drone can have the communication. Yes.
Thank you very much, Carly. And I'm sure a lot of people have a lot of questions because this is a really interesting solution that CIRC is providing. So before we wrap up, I want to remind you, you can leave your questions in the chat room or contact us through the survey form in the chat room that you can connect to. And Carly, before we wrap up, do you have any comment that you want to tell us, or do you want to tell the audience that how do we reach you?
Okay, you can contact
Yes, we contact Smart City Project Office.
And hope to see you soon next year in Smart City exhibition.
Okay, that's a promise. Thank you, everyone. We see you soon.